Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the padding in CSS. Padding is used to create a space around the element's content inside of any defined body. Padding is used to create a space around the element's content, or you can say it as inside the boundaries of the element if defined. Alright, so let's just go to the VS Code and see how can we use the padding. In this example we have element selector and we have the class selector, and I have written this kind of simple code to somehow I just styled it. Okay, I just want to use the padding. For using the padding, all you need to do here is to use padding element. We have the 4 different padding sides, left, right, top, bottom, just like margin. Let me just put some values here. Okay, when you add the padding on the left side, for example, now we are adding the padding on the div element from the left side. Okay, it will add up the spacing of 20 pixels here, and from the top it will add a spacing of the 40 pixel. So let me just save it and you can see this. And now if I just want to add the padding on the right side, 20 px, we have this. If I just do it on the bottom side, it would be 40. So this is how you add the padding separately. Okay, but if you want to add the padding within a single line, so you can simply do as we did in the margin video. You have to write the padding, you have to give the values here. If you are giving a single value, it will fill all the sides of the padding. If I just simply use the 20 pixel here, it means that your left, right, top, bottom paddings have the 20 pixels value. Alright, so when you use a single value, it affects all the sides, but when you use the two values which are kind of 40 pixel, so the first value affects the top and bottom side, you can see it here, and the second value affects the left and right side, you can see the difference. After that, if you just want to use fourth value, if you just want to have third value, this is the bottom, and in last you would have the first value is of the top padding, and the second value is of the right side of the padding, and the third value is of the bottom side of the padding, and the fourth value is of the left side of the padding. Alright, so you just have to remember that. This is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.